What's up, world? Welcome to Yields with Yodi. Today I'm gonna give you a 10 bagger. If you don't know what a 10 bagger is, I got you.
When you were actively managing money, you presumably were under the same pressures as other fund managers to show performance results. Right. Did that incline you to sell too quickly sometimes?
Well, I think my greatest mistakes are, it's funny, in a stock, all you can lose is 100%. I've done that. But your great mistakes is selling a good company, and then it doubles, then it triples and quadruples, because you make a lot of mistakes. And so it's ones that go up tenfold. I call them the 10 baggers. So some of my mistakes are just saying, oh my God, this stock is too high. And I was wrong. And you had to figure out, what inning am I in this baseball game? I sold Toys R Us way too early. It went up 20-fold after I sold it. I did the same thing at Home Depot. Those are probably my two greatest mistakes I ever made.
Well, there you go. You learn something new every day. Stick with me. I'm going to teach you how to dominate the stock market, whether it's by buying stocks, buying calls, buying puts, selling covered calls, doing poor man cover calls, buying warrants. I'm going to teach you all the different ways to make money in the stock market. Now let's get straight to the point. The company we're talking about is one, ticker symbol AONE, currently sitting at $13.48. If you don't know, ARK Invest, which is ran by Cathie Woods. If you don't know who Cathie Wood is, I suggest you Google her. The fund ARKQ has about close to 2 million shares. If you don't know what this is a special purpose acquisition. So their sole purpose is to merge with a private company to turn them into a public company. That way, retail investors like us could buy shares of the company. And the company one is going to merge with, it's called Markforged. So when you invest in AO1 right now, you are investing in a fund that will eventually become a stake in Markforged, which is now a private company. If you don't know what Markforged is, let's go on their website. They offer a platform that controls 3D printing. They offer the 3D printer, and they offer the materials for the printer. These are the different type of printers they have, and they all have different functions. On the platform, you design the specifications for what you want printed, and you could choose from templates already loaded into the platform. What I like about this company is that they have over-the-air updates, so the printers get better over time with all the updates. So instead of having to make a huge investment in another product, these 3D printers, they get better on their own. The easy use of this platform is very important. You don't need to hire these very expensive specialists who are very expensive and rare. Now, I don't know if you know, but these 3D printers, they don't use regular ink. They use raw materials. So when they buy these printers, they're gonna have to keep buying the raw materials from Markforged, which means that they'll have ongoing customer revenue. Their printers are in an estimated 10,000 facilities, and they plan to be in about 100,000 facilities in 5 years. So yeah, that's a 10x. That's a bold goal that they have. Also, the more printers that are out there, the more clients buying the printers, the more data goes out and gets sent into the cloud, and the more data the cloud has, the smarter the whole system is, and that all gets sent back to the printers. And the more printers that are out in the network, the more people using these printers, the smarter these printers get, and it makes their product more competitive. As Cathie Wood says, the future of investing is investing in the future, and these 3D printers are the future. And since Markforged printers get smarter with time, new companies are going to have a very hard time catching up. Markforged, they focus on general materials and prints parts on demand for manufacturing needs. And the team that's leading the merge, they are very experienced. They've dealt with PayPal, with Trulia, with Square, with Uber, many other companies. Also, additive manufacturing is expected to grow 100 billion by 2029. So that's a whole lot of growth. Also, Markforged, they work with a lot of different companies. They work with Rolls-Royce, they work with Tesla, they work with Porsche, Toyota, Volkswagen. They work with the U.S. Navy, with General Electrics. They work with a whole bunch of different big companies. And these other regular printers, they have limited design flexibility. So 20% of every dollar in manufacturing is wasted. So these Markforged printers are going to help with that. Also, the old way of manufacturing, it had limited design and flexibility. And that's where these Markforged 3D printers come in. They're going to solve all of that, and they're going to make everything easier, less expensive. And these are the different type of printers that they have. The Onyx One, this desktop 3D printer for strong parts built with chopped carbon fiber. Mark II, powerful professional continuous fiber reinforcement 3D printer for aluminum strength parts. The X7, standout industrial continuous fiber reinforcement 3D printer for manufacturing. The Metal X, accessible end-to-end metal 3D printing solution for functional metal parts. And the Center 2, automating the most complex steps in metal printing with the touch of a button. So these printers are very easy to use. You don't need like a rocket scientist. And these printers get smarter with time. The more you use it, the better they get. The more they buy, the more they're out there in the world, the better these printers get. So this is a great company. I recommend you have it on your watch list. I personally own this. Also, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Only invest in companies you have strong conviction in. That way, when the price dips, you buy the dip and you don't sell low. Also, I got a bonus. You guys know I always had a bonus. And the bonus is Golden Nuggets Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG, currently sitting at $17. This is basically an online gambling. It had a 52-week high of $27. So it has some room to run back up. I'm not going to get too into detail. Golden Nugget Online Gaming operates as an online casino gaming company. The company headquartered in Houston, Texas. Let's see what some of the analysts are saying about Golden Nugget. They only have one price target, and that price target is $27. So that's a 60% upside from what the price is now. They only have one analyst saying it's a buy, 0 saying it's a hold, and 0 saying it's a sell. So this one you should definitely have on your radar because online gaming is being accepted more in each state. So some of these states have already approved online gambling. So you can imagine when all these states start approving it, this stock is going to skyrocket. It's going to go even higher. And these states are approving it because they can tax them and make a whole lot of money off them. So this company you should definitely have on your radar. Do your research on it. I personally have it in my portfolio. Also, if you're new to the channel, do yourself a favor. Subscribe, click the like button, and click the little notification bell. Also, I have my Weeble link in the bottom. Deposit $100 and you get $1,850. Up to $1,850. Guys, that's free money. You can't beat that. Also, I got my Robinhood link. Deposit $100 and you get a free stock, and I get a free stock. Thank you for your time. God bless.